So yun, just want to get that out of the way. Second point, when I was looking at the pictures, malalaman mo yung malalaman mo kung matanda na yung picture eh. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung, ano yung nauna eh. Kung lumaki yung santo, wala yung buhok ni Jeff. Jeff, I love you. Kailangan ko nung patawa kasi iyak ako eh. Then, last week I was in the US and nag-one-on-one kami ng future boss ko and sabi niya sa akin, and ito, pangalawang best pa niya kami nagkita and sabi niya, Rob, you're different. Sabi niya, you're different. It's not the happy Rob. Sabi niya. And how do you feel? Sabi niya, how do you feel? What are you feeling right now? And that question actually hit me and na-realize ko na nung time na yun, it was like being in between jobs. I was exiting an old job and I was trying to distance myself from them, but at the same time trying to integrate myself with the new group, which I did still feel that I belong. So, hindi ko lang kung saan ako lulugar. But, you guys, this is home. This is home, and I will always belong here with you. And all of you will always have a place in my heart. Okay? Palapakan na naman. Siguro pag-uwi nyo ngayon, pagdasal nyo lang si Alex kasi excited siya na mag-field day bukas. So, sana, mapunta siya. Nagkakatotoo na yung prediction ni Aldi. Buksan nyo na yung pintuan, lalabas sa session. Thank you. Yung mga some of the people here I don't even know. So, sino man ang nagpakana na nagdala sa inyo dito, sana sulit. Kasi sulit para sa akin, sana sulit para sa inyo. So, yung mga nag-organize ito, hindi ko natatanungin kung sino. So, thank you na lang. All service teams, thank you na lang sa inyo lahat. Ang iniisip ko kanina, sa si Hazel. Hazel, dami natin kaibigan. Diba? Kami ni Hazel, we prided ourselves in having very few close friends. But I think the Lord has better plans, much better plans for all of us. Not only to myself, but alam nyo, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, continue building memories. Continue building relationships kasi it's all about relationships. And coming from me, that's probably saying a lot. So, Mindy, ang payat mo. So, yung sinabi mo sa akin kanina, don't worry, hindi ko sasabihin kay Aldi tsaka kay Joy. So, secret yun. So, thank you again. Thank you all. Thank you sa inyo. Continue praying for us. It's going to be tough. But, if you're going to visit, it's going to be less tough. So, dalawa yung may bahay doon. Kasi bakit? Okay. So, thank you for taking time. It's a Monday, and it's 11 o'clock. But of course, it's like a household meeting. Actually, maaga pa nga ngayon, di ba? So, mga hindi na nag-household, masanay na ulit kayo. Mag-household na kayo ulit. I'm just so... And finally, just let the Lord work in your lives because you will be